Go to File section, create a new file, set a name of your file. I said remove.bg. Now click on Create Document. Now by using a Alt and your mouse cursor, drag your cursor back and minimize your frame. Now go to File once again, click on a Place option. Now we're searching for our image. Go to Downloads, select any image you want to remove the background of that. I select a dog image. Now place it on our window by a left click of mouse. Now for reducing the size of your image, click on a shift and a mouse left key once and drag your image back. You can see the size of your image has been reduced and properly fixed on a frame ratio as we select by creating a new document file. Now select direct selection tool, go to view, view transparent reduction. Now go to workspace, select image tracer, go to presets and set default value to high fidelity photo. Select it, high fidelity photo. Okay, now it's processing. Wait for a few seconds. Okay, now it's done. Go to object, select expand, click on OK. You can select these options correctly and click on OK once again. Now click anywhere on a window, click on a white background and click a delete option on your keyboard. Now you can see our image background has been removed properly. Hope you will get it. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video once again. Bye guys.